A slim nose, sharp jawline, hunter eyes, and slim lips are the 4 facial features that make your face highly attractive. These features play a vital role because the first thing people notice when they meet you is your face. If these 4 features are sharp and well-defined, your overall appearance becomes significantly more appealing. But achieving this requires effort, especially through fitness and facial exercises. The problem is, many people know this but don't act on it. Whether it's about exercising or simply following the right techniques, consistency is key. Today's video is here to guide you. I'll show you exactly how to enhance these features with simple exercises and effective tips. Watch till the end, so you don't miss anything important. No one. How to get a slim and sharp nose. Your nose is at the center of your face, making it the focal point when someone looks at you. A slim and sharp nose can drastically enhance your appearance, whether your nose is thick, crooked, or asymmetrical. Specific exercises can help you improve its shape. For a thick or wide nose tip, place your index fingers on both sides of the nose and gently swipe downward to increase blood flow. Do this exercise 3 to 4 times daily. Pinch the tip of your nose lightly and move your fingers in a circular motion for 1 minute. After that, massage upward from the sides of your nose for 2 to 3 minutes. These exercises improve circulation and tone the muscles around your nose. For reducing fat on the nose, hold your nose bridge with 2 fingers, press gently, and then release. Perform this exercise for 2 to 3 minutes, 3 to 4 times daily. This will help reduce fat and make your nose appear sharper within a week. For a crooked or asymmetrical nose, massage the sides of your nose for 3 minutes to reduce swelling and improve circulation. Use both index fingers to press on the bridge of your nose and hold for 2 to 3 minutes. Then gently rub the bridge downward with 1 finger for 1 minute. Perform these exercises consistently for a month, and you'll see noticeable changes. However, if your nose is severely crooked due to injury or genetics, consulting a surgeon may be a better option. 2. How to get slim and soft lips. Lips are another crucial feature that can enhance your attractiveness. Slim, well-defined lips can elevate your facial symmetry and overall appeal. If your lips are thick or uneven, follow these steps. Pucker your lips inward and hold the position for 30 to 40 seconds. Repeat this exercise 3 times daily. Use your index fingers to gently pull the corners of your lips upward and hold for 1 minute. To make your lips soft and smooth, prepare a natural scrub using honey, sugar, and a vitamin E capsule. Rub this mixture gently on your lips to remove dead skin cells. Afterward, apply a moisturizing lip balm to keep your lips hydrated. In just a month, these exercises will help make your lips slimmer, softer, and naturally more attractive. 3. How to achieve hunter eyes. Hunter eyes are one of the most desirable features, giving your face a sharp, intense, and confident look. Achieving this is simpler than you think. Follow these tips. Shape your eyebrows to frame your eyes better. Use a trimmer or visit a professional to maintain clean lines. Curl your eyelashes with an eyelash curler to make your eyes appear larger and more open. Practice maintaining a steady, focused gaze during conversations. These steps, though simple, have a powerful impact. They enhance your eyes and add a magnetic quality to your face. 4. How to get a sharp jawline. Your jawline defines your facial structure. The sharper your jawline, the more balanced and attractive your face looks. While techniques like mewing are popular, there are faster exercises you can do for visible results. Effective jawline exercises. Tilt your head back and open and close your mouth 10 times. Repeat this while facing right and left. Perform exaggerated chewing motions for 1 to 2 minutes daily. This strengthens your jaw muscles and enhances definition. Avoid chewing gum excessively, as it can harm your teeth. Instead, stick to these targeted exercises. In just 1 week, you'll notice a more defined jawline. For best results, perform these exercises consistently over a month. Don't overlook the importance of healthy, glowing skin. Your skin complements your facial features, making your overall appearance more attractive. Hydrate. Follow a skincare routine and maintain a balanced diet to ensure your skin looks its best. If you'd like us to create a dedicated video on skincare, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks to enhance your appearance. Thanks.